Hey there, so today we have some really cool sound deadening panels that are not just sound deadening panels, but they also have some look to them. A little bit of a design, if you will. And as you can see, there is an actual design on this that needs to be put together because it has letters and numbers on it. Here is what the scene looks like. And you see they have the stickers on there so you know which one goes where. And then we're going to apply this to our wall. They do have an adhesive back there, so we're just going to peel that away and apply it to our wall, like that. What I've done is I went ahead and marked a center on just basically where I want it in the wall, and I'm going to start there and just basically place them on there. And what's nice about these is that they are self-adhesive on the back, so you don't have to use adhesives or any kind of screws or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to line this up. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just barely stuck on there. I just want to check the level real quick. And it needs to come up on that side just a little bit. Alright, so I'm just giving it a nice press on there to make sure that she's really on there. And I'll do the next one. And I'll just line up the corners. And since I leveled that one, I can just basically press it up against that one and be done. Now before you go sticking these up by number, just lay them out on the better to make sure that everything lines up, just in case some numbers didn't get mixed up or something. Just make sure it looks right. But it is nice that they gave the numbers, and I'll just go ahead and peel these off. There you go. All stuck. I'll just go grab the other four and we'll go from there. All right, go ahead and go with one next. And you could definitely split these up, maybe do a 2x2 or spread them out to give it a little bit more of a artistic look if you want. I just want to throw them up and have a picture. This will be number 3. And again, just find your corners and press it in and just press it on the wall. And this will be number 4. And these are pressed fiber. I don't know if you can see that or not. And it's just a nice squishy pressed fiber that'll really help deaden sound and absorb some of that. And also make things look kind of nice. All right, so take 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now I have a sound deadening wall with a cool picture, so I don't think you can ask for more than that. So check it out.